Are you ready to discover the future of electric vehicles? The 2025 Volkswagen ID.4 is gearing up to hit the roads with significant power boosts and interior upgrades. Stay tuned to learn all about the exciting features and what to expect. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and share this video with your friends who are also EV enthusiasts. Your support helps us bring you the latest in automotive news. Let's start with a quick recap. The current Volkswagen ID.4 made a splash earlier this year with a host of new features. It debuted with a new power plant, an upgraded larger touchscreen on the upper trims, a redesigned steering wheel and shifter, and standard ventilated front seats. These enhancements have set a high bar, and we expect the 2025 model to continue this trend without major changes until a significant redesign anticipated in 2026. Now let's talk about the interior. The ID.4 comfortably seats 5 passengers in 2 rows and offers up to 30.3 cubic feet of cargo space. Fold the rear seats down, and you get a whopping 64.2 cubic feet of space. The high-tech interior includes digital instrumentation, a standard 12.0-inch touchscreen, navigation, and wireless phone integration and charging. And for those who want more, there's an available 12.9-inch touchscreen with backlit controls for climate and volume. Moving on to the power and performance, the 2025 ID.4 will be available in 7 trim levels. One exciting addition is the new black package option, featuring black mirror caps, door handles, badging, and 20-inch black aluminum wheels for a sleek and stylish look. The base model comes with a single 201 horsepower electric motor mounted on the rear wheels and a 62 kilowatt-hour battery pack, delivering an estimated range of 209 miles. For those seeking more power and range, there's an upgrade option to an 82 kilowatt-hour battery pack, boosting output to 282 horsepower and extending the range to 291 miles. And for the ultimate performance, the top-tier dual-motor AWD setup offers a larger battery, 330 horsepower, and a range of 263 miles. All models in the ID.4 lineup are capable of towing up to 2,700 pounds, making it a versatile choice for various needs. Pricing for the 2025 ID.4 is expected to be slightly higher than the current model, which ranges from $41,000 to $54,000, including destination charges. We anticipate the 2025 ID.4 to arrive at dealerships in mid to late 2025. As always, we'll keep you updated with the latest information as we get closer to the release date. So, what do you think of the upcoming 2025 Volkswagen ID.4? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Stay tuned for more updates and reviews on the latest automotive trends. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.